right. Okay, let's try to deploy a Kafka demo. Just real quick, select the target and namespace. I'm going to keep the rest default except for this. I want 3 nodes. Deploy. So while this is deploying, let me give you a little tour of what we're going to do for the demo. So obviously deploying a data service is cool, but we want to actually use it. So let's look at some stuff I have here. So in a second, we're going to drop in the connection info into this secret, and then that will inform a couple of things. One, we're going to get a topic, right? And we're going to create that within the cluster, which is something you have to do. So we just have a job that does that. And then we have a producer that's going to write a bunch of stuff to it with this Python. It's in a Docker image right now. And then we're going to have a consumer that will read from it. So each one of these will kind of read and write from the environment. And I could scale them independently and all kinds of fun stuff. So let's see, we're almost there while it deploys. All right, so now we're running. 2, 3. All right, now we're running. We're going to hit metrics. See that there's nothing there. Why does it say 2? That's not good. 3 nodes. View connection, there's 3. So we're first going to take this right here, and we're going to put this into our file. So where's that code? And we're going to say this one right here. Paste the name in there. PDS is the default username. It can be changed. Paste that. Let's give it a basic topic. Save that. And we're going to clear that. Okay, git pod. Nothing there. PDS demo. There. It's running. So we're going to say k apply -f jo. Create the secret. So that tells all the details that we need to give to the app. We're going to init that topic. Hopefully it works. Completed. That's a good sign. We're going to apply producer, apply the consumer. From there, I come across to metrics. You can see that it's actually starting to get some things. Of course, it's very, very new, so it's going to take a second for it to populate. If we come back to this screen, we can actually say klog consumer. Right, you can see it's consuming things, and we can actually scale the producer, replica 16. Wow, let's go crazy for today, 32. Okay, get pod. Launching up pretty quickly. Good. Yeah, we should see in about 3 seconds a much better screen here. Let's just hit refresh on this. There we go. So we have a capacity, we have usage. So little trick as you take the total out of there, you can kind of drill in a little closer to the usage, especially if it's just a fraction of the entire available disk space. We can see here we have read and write throughput, we have latency, bytes in and out. Now you should start to see this to climb here in a couple minutes. And All right, and now we're back a little bit later in the evening. You can tell by the darkness in my room here. And we can see broker's still running. And if we go to PDS, since it's been running for a few hours, I'll put last 12 hours. And I'll show you a couple things. I'm going to zoom in. So if we zoom all the way out first, you can see there's lots of stats there over those 12 hours. But I want to show you what happened a little while ago today. Now you see here, I had it at about writes, right? So I had about 32 of my Python workers. I scaled it up to 48, and then I turned it all off, and because I was fixing something in the Python, and then I did it again. So you can see kind of the ebb and flow of them finishing with their 10,000 and going through, but kind of kept it at that even rate. So if I scroll this all the way out, see it's kind of constant. The capacity is the same. The usage is kind of tailed off as it's kind of tailed up, I guess. Best way to describe it. And yeah, you get a little more stats, a little more seeing in here. You can see also where the consumer I actually scaled down, then scaled it all the way up to like 16. And if we come back over here just to see, they're still running. Oops. Get pod. There you go. So, and I have the producers and consumers all running and having fun. So, thank you for watching this demo. Hopefully it was helpful. We'll show you how to test Kafka on PDS. Thank you.